In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run payroll reports in QuickBooks Online. Let's start right from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Reports and click on it. This is the central place where QuickBooks stores all of your reporting tools, not just payroll, so it's a good menu to get familiar with if you aren't already. Once you're on the Reports page, you'll want to access the payroll-specific reports. In most versions of QuickBooks Online Payroll, you'll see a Payroll tab near the top of the page. Go ahead and select that. If you don't see a dedicated Payroll tab, that's okay. You can simply scroll down the main reports list until you reach the Payroll section, or use the search bar at the top of the page. Typing something like Payroll Summary will quickly bring up related payroll reports. Now, choose the specific payroll report you want to run. Common options include a payroll summary report, which gives you an overview of wages, taxes, and deductions, or an employee payment history report, which focuses on what each employee has been paid. You might also see reports like deductions or leave balances, depending on your setup. Click the report name to open it. Before you run the report, you'll want to set your filters so the information is accurate and relevant. First, adjust the date range. You can choose presets such as this month, last quarter, or a custom date range that matches your payroll needs. Keep in mind that many payroll reports are based on paycheck dates rather than the pay period, so double-check that the dates you select line up with the checks you're trying to review. After selecting the date range, click Apply. Next, if you need more specific data, use the Customize option. This lets you narrow down the report by individual employees, pay schedules, locations, or particular payroll items. Customizing is especially helpful if you want to analyze a single department, a group of employees, or a certain type of pay. When your filters are set, select Run Report. QuickBooks will generate the report using the criteria you chose. From here, you can work with the report in a few ways. To see more detail, click Expand All or use the plus icon next to an employee's name to drill into their individual data. If you need a hard copy, select the printer icon to print. To save a digital copy, click the Download or Export icon and choose whether you want to save it as an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF file.